course assignments that are common for all the 7 courses. I understand that some of you guys are not education majors, but this assignment is more related to looking at your civic duty, at your um, social awareness, and hence it's designed in that sense, social responsibility. So in this assignment, you are going to compare the data regarding education in another country and United States. Only one issue, not a lot of issues. There should be only one issue. I've given you a lot of examples here like dropout rates, free reduced lunch, graduation rate, enrollment, student-teacher ratio, content knowledge, test scores, percentage, funding, all those things. There could be other areas also, but you will only look at one issue. You will compare and identify an area of strength for United States and an area of growth or opportunity for United States. So you're comparing the two, but you are writing it from the perspective of being an American from the United States. So what could be improved and what we do still have the strength about. There is a link here that you can directly read about different kinds of letters because the letter language is very persuasive. Um, there's a different way of writing the letter to the editor than the observation paper. So that is one of those reasons that I have those. Your letter will be no more than 400 words, the whole letter that starts from to the editor to your sign off. So it's a very short letter that you have to include all of those things. One of the big questions that is asked is, do I cite? Yes, you will cite your data. And I'll show you where the data is counted in just a second. You will cite it, but I don't need a full citation. You can cite it within the letter, saying from maybe from the website of the Texas Education Agency or from the article written by so-and-so titled this. This is where I got the data from. How is this paper graded? It is for 50 points. This letter is graded. Find the comparative data is 5 points. So if you have the data, you get those 5 points. Identify issue by comparing with United States. So there should be one issue. I've made some hints here so that it helps you guys. 5 points. Your opinion, area of strength is different and area of growth and opportunity is different. That is 10 points each. Remember to have both area of strength and area of growth for the US education system. Persuasive language, correct spellings, grammar, 10 points. Concluding statement. Remember, this is a letter to the editor. So your word limit, concluding statement, organization, again, is for 10 points. This is the rubric that I'm going to be using to grade this letter. But as you will see that there are also 2 other rubric that talks about critical thinking skills and social responsibilities. So talking about, are you aware of your civic duties, analysis of the knowledge, talking about all those things. So I've tried to take these 2 rubrics. These are the rubrics that are common among all the 7 courses. I've tried to take these 2 rubrics that are assigned and break them down in a simple form so that this is the one that I'm going to be looking at. If there are any questions, once again, please do not hesitate to post on the course question discussion board. I look forward to reading your letter to the editors.